Hey guys, it's David, Trade Support Group. Welcome to another weekly outlook with David. This is going to be a quick one for you guys, but I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so. So, our last video, we took a look at Tesla stock about a week ago when we were trading around this 440 area. And if you take a look at our video, you can see that our price prediction, it wasn't a suggestion to buy it, but it was a prediction, okay? Just opinion based, maybe professional opinion, but nonetheless was that Tesla has a very, very good shot at going to 520. We hit 520 yesterday on Tesla, okay? And again, today is Tuesday, January 14th. So we actually reached nearly 550 today. I think the top was around 547. Now, one thing I want you guys to pay attention to is obviously we're in an area for Tesla stock that has never been reached. This is an all-time high. Congratulations to the people who have bought Tesla and holding on to it. Shareholders are celebrating these days. Good for you guys. For traders such as myself, we're very happy. We bought in on Tesla at 440. We've taken these price actions before in the past around 320 as well. So we're kind of celebrating ourselves. So the main thing I want you guys to really pay attention to, though, is whether or not to jump on, let's say, the bandwagon right now. Again, we're in uncharted territory, and it does end at some point. It has to correct. It has to show some sort of signs of reversing, and it will. But right now, while we're riding high, stock price is booming, the best thing to do is pay attention to the fundamentals, follow the news on Tesla and what's going on. It's very, very important. As I said, Tesla recently just opened up a factory and produced its first Chinese-made car. So that's huge news. The future for Tesla is incredible, guys. But right now, present time, while we are on this boom, it's good to see when the price will reverse and kind of settle, maybe get into a range market, some sort of build up, so it has another price action movement like this. I'm not a big fan of jumping in on the trend. I am a fan of riding the trend, but jumping in on the trend when it's too late is not good, okay? So basically what I'm saying to you guys, follow your indicators. You can see here we're using a MACD. The volume here is spiking up. We have no signs of crossing over from our MACD lines here. Okay, so you want to pay attention to those. Looks like we're still in a big bullish momentum. It's definitely something to keep an eye on. But one thing I want to show to you guys, just so you don't get too overexcited and start buying right away, is that we're using, of course, the 200-day moving average. It's great for understanding where we are and what's happening. Of course, we're in a bullish market, but I want you guys to notice that every time the candles tend to pull away from the 200-day moving average, it's like a magnet, sticks right back to it eventually, okay? Here we have a huge pull away, and it goes right back to the 200-day moving average. Now, obviously, you guys can see, we'll zoom out a bit on this. Tesla stock is far, far away from the 200-day moving average. So chances are this magnet of a 200-day moving average will try to pull this back into maybe this 440, 480 zone. So don't be surprised by that. Okay, it happens. Now, you can see other typical uptrends like this where it pulled away. Not a huge retracement, but nonetheless a retracement. Also the 200-day moving average being a lagging indicator. It caught up with it eventually, and they do meet here. And then you get into a range market, which I feel is what's going to happen with Tesla. We may get ourselves into a range market in this 440, 480 area, maybe 500 area. So from 440 to 500, in this area, we may get into a range market and see it start another build-up, okay? So it's definitely something to pay attention to for the future. And in all reality, I really would look to more fundamentals with this stock since it is at an all-time high, and pay close attention to what's happening with Tesla. If you're already a shareholder, again, congratulations. You're probably celebrating. If you're a trader and you've been bullish on it, you went long on these positions like we did, you're probably very happy as well. Again, guys, if you want some some one-on-one education and a coach to train you the right way to trade the market psychologically, fundamentally, and technically, get one of our packages today and find value in what you're doing. Because the worst thing is waking up tomorrow regretting the decisions you made yesterday. So we want to help you guys out as much as we can. If you like the videos we're putting out, please subscribe to the channel, like us, share it with people who you know can find it valuable, and let's go ahead and get you on the right track for 2020 to start taking advantage of these type of trades. Okay, so again, guys, thanks for all the input you guys have given. Please give more and let me know how I'm doing. Subscribe, like the channel, share it with friends, families, whoever it is, and we will stay in touch. We're going to keep putting out videos for you guys, and as soon as we have an update from our crew on Tesla and what we think, we will post another video as soon as possible. Otherwise, enjoy your Tuesday evening and have a wonderful week ahead. We will stay in touch. Thanks, guys.